So you may have tried what I told you and it mightn't have got rid of them. So what are we going to do here now to get rid of it? Well, let me show you here. So the second thing we can do is if we go into our temp readings. So you'll notice I've got a bunch of readings here, all working all fine. Now what I'm going to do here is very sneakily going to add in a blank reading at the start. So there it is, it's a blank reading at the start. It mightn't look like it, even if I check my notepad here now and go right click and open with notepad to see how this would really look. And it doesn't, oh, maybe I didn't save that file, did I? I thought I did. Maybe I didn't save it. And we'll knock off the notepad again and open it up one last time. Hopefully there's a blank space in there, or even if it doesn't look like there's a blank space in there, I can guarantee you there is a blank space in there. So we'll see it when we bring it back into Python. So jump over to Python. Let's run our code now. And it seems to be working. So I should have a blank thing coming in there. I don't know why I don't. But what I was suggesting for those of you that don't, and I thought I'd get the blank reading up there, is when you've done a certain amount and you've got it down to maybe all of this and you've just got one blank reading from the end, what you can do is you can string slice. So if you've got your blank reading, string slice, remember this is index 0. This is index 0. Notice now how I've got 3 20s. Notice how I've got 3 20s. So before I graph it, I'm going to cut the first value out. So slice the first value out, or cut the first value out, and slice the rest. So to do that, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say temperatures, I think it's called temperatures, are equal to temperatures. So I'm going to overwrite from index 1 all the way to the end. Now hopefully you will see I will only have 2 20s here when I do this. Oh God, and it's telling me, oh, and because of that, why did I get an error there now? Well, I've already sliced after I've done the number of readings here, so I'm getting one extra reading. So let me slice here now first of all. Before that, getting one extra reading and it can't match up in the graphing. So look at, I had initially 3 20s and it still looks like 3 20s, but if I print temperatures here now, so I'm going to say updated temperatures for you to see, and one of them will be gone. And there you go, one of the 20s is gone. And now that's how you get rid of the first value if there was nothing in it. You do a string slicing. Okay, finito.